Good morning. I am Dibyendu Mondal. Today I am going to discuss about solar cookers. Solar cookers. Okay. Solar cookers. First one, the thermal energy requirement for cooking purpose forms a major share of the total energy consumed, especially in rural areas. A variety of fuels like coal, kerosene, cooking gas, firewood, cooking gas, firewood, okay, cooking gas, firewood, dung cakes, okay, are used to meet the requirement. Fossil fuel is the fast depleting resources and needs to be conserved. Firewood for cooking cause deforestation, and cow dung, agricultural waste, etc. may be better used as good fertilizer. Harnessing solar energy for cooking purpose is an attractive and relevant option. A variety of solar cookers have been developed which can be clubbed 4 types of basic design. First one is the box type solar cooker. Box type solar cookers. Second one is the dish type solar cooker. Second one, dish type. Third one is the community solar cooker. Fourth one is the advanced solar cooker. Okay, advanced solar cooker. First one is the box type solar cooker. Okay, our first discussion is the box type solar cooker. Box type solar cooker. Box type solar cooker. Okay, box type, it looks like a box. Okay, it looks like a box. Okay, there are 4 like this. Okay, box type solar cooker. One is the first one, there is an reflector mirror. Position of the reflector mirror. Okay, reflector mirror. Okay, another one is the, this one is the, another one, glass is there, another one is the glass is there, this is the glass cover. Okay, another one is the glass cover, and another one is the cooking post. This one is the, there is the position cooking pot is there. This is the cooking pot. Okay, cooking pots. Okay, and another one is the aluminium tray. This one is the aluminium tray. Aluminium tray. Okay, so this one is the box type solar cooker. Okay, first one, box type solar cooker. This one is the construction. External dimension of a typically family size 4 dishes box type cooker, 60 centimeter into 60 centimeter into 20 centimeter, 60 into 60 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Okay, so for domestic purpose. Okay, the cooker is simple in construction and operation. Okay, an insulated box of blackened aluminium contains the utensils filled with the food material. The box receives direct radiation and also reflected radiation from the reflector mirror fixed on the inner side of the box cover, hinged to one side of the box. Okay. The angle of the reflector can be adjusted as required. Okay, this one is the, and another one very important thing, the maximum temperature obtained inside the box around 140 degrees centigrade to 160 degrees centigrade. Okay, maximum temperature 140 degree to 160 degrees centigrade. This is enough for cooking boiling type food stuff slowly in about 2-3 hours. It is capable of cooking LPG, cooking 2 kg of food, and can save up 3 to 4 LPG cylinder fuel in a year. Okay, another one is the dish type, parabolic dish type solar cooker. Parabolic dish type. Okay. Dish type. Dish type solar cooker. Okay, dish type solar cooker, that is the direct type, specially designed. Okay, paraboloidal reflector. Okay, means this one. Okay, this one. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, this one is the, it looks like a this is the parabolic profile. Okay, parabolic profile, specially designed. The cooking time approximately 20 to 30 minutes. Cooking time. to 30 minutes. Okay, and paraboloidal dish type solar cooker, fairly high temperature of about 450 degrees centigrade can be obtained, and variety of food requiring boiling, baking and frying can cook for 10 to 15 person. Okay, it can save on fuel for up to 10 LPG cylinder annually. Save 10 LPG cylinder annually. 10 LPG cylinder annually. Okay, 10 LPG cylinder annually, a fairly high temperature 450 degrees centigrade. The cooking time approximately 10 to 20 to 30 minutes. Approximate cost rupees 8500. Okay, 8500. Okay, approximate cost. Another one is the community solar cooker. Community solar cooker. Community community solar cooker. Community solar cooker means community solar cooker have been developed for indoor cooking. Indoor cooking purpose. Okay, indoor cooking purpose. A community solar cooker has a large automatically tracked paraboloid reflector standing outside the kitchen. The reflector reflects the sun's ray into the kitchen through an opening in its north wall. A secondary reflector further concentrates the ray to the bottom of the cooking pot. Actually, this it can cook all types of food for 40 to 50 people. To 50 people. Okay, and can save up to 30 LPG cylinder per year. LPG cylinder per year. In another design of community solar cooker, large number of automatically tracked paraboloidal reflector are installed in series and parallel combination and generate steam for cooking in community kitchen. Okay. Another one is the solar furnaces. Okay, solar furnaces, actually furnace is used for melting purpose. Okay, furnace, different types of furnaces are there. Okay, solar furnaces. Solar furnaces. Solar furnace is an ideal tool to study chemical, optical, electrical and thermodynamic properties of the materials at high temperature. Okay, the solar furnace, actually it has two main components. One is the concentrator. Okay, one is the concentrator. Another one is the single piece of large sized heliostat. Single piece of large size heliostat. Okay, single piece of large sized heliostat or a system of large number of small heliostats. Okay, actually the heliostats are adjusted such as they direct the radiation parallel to the optical axis of the parabolic profile. Okay, this one is the solar furnace. If you draw this one, if you draw parabolic profile, okay, concentrator, this one is the concentrator. Okay, concentrator. Concentrator. Okay. Another one is the heliostat. a 1 by 1, okay, like this, 1 by 1, and their one is the heliostat, like this, sun ray, okay, solar radiation, here comes, and this one, okay, here another one comes, and this one, okay, another one radiator is there, comes, and this one, like this, another one comes, and this one, okay. So this one is the solar radiation and heliostat. So these are the heliostat, solar radiation, okay, solar radiation, okay, solar radiation, and this one is the target specimen, okay, after converging, okay, this one is the target specimen, okay, target specimen, okay. তাহলে this one is the target specimen, okay. This one, তাহলে there is another possible configuration of solar furnace where the optical axis is vertical, okay. A large heliostat directs the radiation upwards and the concentrator reflects it downward at its focus. There are few solar furnaces in countries like France, USA, Germany, Russia for scientific study. One of the world's largest solar furnace installed at Odilo, okay, France, 1000 kilowatt output, 1000 kilowatt, huge output, huge, 1000 kilowatt output, okay. And some of the advantages of a solar furnace: heating without contamination, okay, advantages: heating without contamination, heating without contamination. Second one, easy control of temperature, easy control of temperature. Third one is the absence of electromagnetic field, okay, absence of, and another one is the simple working, Fourth one is the high heat flux obtainable, okay. And another one is the, in spite of many advantages of solar furnaces, these have not become popular in industries due to following reasons: their use is limited to sunny days. This is the disadvantages. In sunny days, disadvantages: sunny days, okay, sunny days. Another one is that their cost is high. Very high temperature are obtained only over a very small area. Cost is high. Third one is the very high temperature are obtained very high temperature are obtained. Okay, very high temperature are obtained only over a small area. Only over a small area. Okay, our another topic is the solar greenhouse. Okay, solar greenhouse. A greenhouse is an enclosure where proper environment is provided for growth and population growth and production of crops, vegetable and flower plant under adverse climate condition. Okay, solar greenhouse. Solar greenhouse. Okay, solar greenhouse. By controlling the environment, a particular vegetable or flower can be grown throughout the year. The design of a greenhouse depends on local climate condition. In cold countries, winter greenhouse provide supplementary heat to maintain adequate temperature. Okay, in cold countries, winter greenhouse okay, winter greenhouse provide supplementary heat or to maintain adequate temperature. In tropical countries, solar insolation and ambient temperature are quite high, and therefore summer greenhouse are used to maintain low temperature. In tropical country, solar greenhouse greenhouse, okay, in tropical countries, okay, in tropical countries the solar insolation and ambient temperature quite high, and therefore summer greenhouse are used to maintain low temperature. Okay, that is the solar greenhouse. Another one part is the summer greenhouse. Okay, summer greenhouse are used to maintain low temperature inside and allow just sufficient sunlight for photosynthesis. Okay, they all acquire moderate temperature and light, adequate quantities of carbon dioxide, oxygen, okay, mineral, nutrients, air environment. Okay, air environment. Generally, a greenhouse designed to use solar energy to meet these requirements is known as solar greenhouse. A greenhouse designed to use solar energy to meet all the requirements known as solar greenhouse. If natural means are adapted to collect, store and distribute the energy inside. Okay. A small greenhouse can also be constructed as an integral part of a house, and free exchange of air takes place between the residence and the greenhouse. Such a greenhouse is known as attached greenhouse. A separate independent structure of greenhouse is known as freestanding greenhouse. Separate, independent, Okay, separate independent structure of a greenhouse. Of a greenhouse. Okay, greenhouse structure, independent structure of a greenhouse is known as freestanding greenhouse. Freestanding greenhouse. Okay, freestanding greenhouse. Okay, in this design some arrangement are made to melt and remove the snow collected girder. Okay, light energy regulation, light energy plus water plus carbon dioxide is equal to carbohydrate plus oxygen because of photosynthesis. Okay, so small greenhouse can also be constructed in integral part of a house. Another one is the large size greenhouse are made in the ridge and furrow style where several greenhouses are connected together. Okay, so this is the solar greenhouse. Okay, thank you.